Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Akram. Today I'll be doing my auntie voiceover. Eid is over and we are back to business. She's washing her furniture and her furniture need to be clean so that she will use it and make turaren water. Here she's frying her furniture with Aliful Layla perfume. You need to wash, scrub, boil, fry your furniture very well before you use it. To make Trarota Humra, we have a detailed video on how to process furniture. Check the previous video. After frying the furniture, we'll let it cool. And so this is how the furniture is going to look. You can make yours darker or lighter. My auntie like frying her own this way because it give her the best result she's looking for. So here she wants to grind it with her blender into fine powder so that she will use it for umrah and turaren water, mostly for turaren water. You can see how beautiful the furniture is looking, and it also comes in different size and shapes. This is the small one. These are the big ones.
Thank you, Akram, for that voiceover. So my auntie came to visit, and she made some. Okay, so I asked her to teach me a recipe because I love the way her humra smells like. She has been selling Toyota for the past 30 years, and her humra recipe is top notch. It is amazing. It is unique. It is nice. Like the hijab you when you use the humra, the hijab you use or like the clothes you use will still smell like that humra after washing it. Trust me, like it is amazing. So I had all the ingredients she told me like that is used in the recipe, and I asked her to recreate one for me. I didn't want to even use my hand in this recipe. I didn't want to put my hand in this recipe. I just want her to do the process because I'll be using it to make a special humra for my customers, especially bright. So these are the oils she has been using, and this oil combination is an oil combination that you can get in the market. Just make sure you're getting the original oil perfume. I know there is nothing there's nothing like there's no new ingredients here. These ingredients are like just like the old ingredients that we use. So we added the oil perfume. So the fariche too determines how the outcome of the humra. So the first fariche that I showed is a fariche that is mostly used in trial water. If you use it on humra, it will take a very long time for it to give you the humra, the dofri, like the onicha scent that you're looking for. But if you use the um Sahil one, the one that is more like a bit heavier, and the dollar and s- um the the thinner dollar, it is going to give you an amazing result. So after mixing it, she smoked the humra, and make sure you have like a sandal oil perfume in this recipe because she emphasized on using sandal. You just need to use al anud. If you don't have al anud, you can use sandarus surati, or you can use sandarus ard al nasim. Just make sure you have a very strong sandalwood scent, and if you want to go for like a more luxurious scent, you can use maracas, you can use sandalia UAE. We have a lot of amazing sandalwood fragrance, and you can just make use of them. Then you mix them with your favorite variety oil perfume, because we are talking about a bridal humra here, so everything needs to be exquisite, everything needs to be luxurious, heavenly scented, concentrated, all the good things in between. So she added Howie Traramuta. She said her own recipe calls for Howie roots. I did not have Harry roots. Imagine a Traramuta Konosio doesn't have Hawi root, but I had Hawi Tramuta, so we use Hawi for smoking it, and we use Hawi. We added Hawi to a hot coal. Then she placed the mixture on the raria on the sieve, sorry, and then we smoked it for good 5 minutes. And you guys can notice that it became very dark. So she told me that after this recipe, when you make this humra, you don't shake it. Look at what I did. She was like, "Stop that! Stop shaking it!" And I stopped shaking it immediately. So, she said I should not shake the humra. I should just keep the humra for a week, and everything will just combine. And when everything is fully combined, then we can just continue shaking it, and you can see how little the one humra is, like the UD cologne is very little. She said I should add more one humra, but I just wanted to like perceive the scent of this one that we made with just 200 mils of raw humra. And I don't know, I'm not selling this recipe for anybody. This one is my own humra, my own special humra. Look at how I was picking all the fresh cheddar poured on the carpet, because I did not want anything to waste, because I know the type of furniture I used here. This is dollar furniture, and this is Fledemore UD cologne. So after that, she asked me to close the bottle very tightly, and then I should keep it um in a very dark place, or I should bury it. I did not want to bury the umrah. I would just be keeping it in a very dark place so that I can go back and shake it after a week. But if I had buried this umrah, I would not be able to shake the umrah after a week. So it will just stay like that. And this is something that I'm so curious about the scent. I want to know what the smell, what this hummus smell like after like a week, because this is not something I made myself. This is something that an expert made. So my auntie I have been following her process in making chayota, and alhamdulillah, I love every bit of her recipe. Her recipe is a recipe that has been passed down to her by her own mom, and this is something amazing. I love that we make trial water together. So she also made some sandal rose for me. I This sandal rose is for my amazing customer, but I made more than what I was supposed to like make. And yeah, so this is me adding, and this is a charuta that has like a very oriental woody scent. If that is the scent, but this is very nice. This is strong. My customers love this. This is a charuta that people that let me not call any age range, but I've noticed that a lot of younger ladies love this type of charuta. I don't know, it's because it smells like baccarat rouge or lovely or Amani or softs. I don't know why, but this is what this water smell like, and this is a water that you can never go wrong with. I mixed it in this very big bucket so that I will be able to mix it. So this is my auntie. She continued the process. The only thing I did here was to fry this water. So she mixed it, and she told me other oils that I can use to make this water have like a more amazing scent. I know this recipe banks. I know this scent banks. People love this exact scent, but the this one we did, this trying what we did um came out nice, came out more amazing like the ones I have been doing. Like, it was the scent. I don't know how to explain, but mashallah, alhamdulillah, the scent is so amazing. Scent is so nice. We added more oil perfumes, and these are my babies. And some of you, after I posted about this, my new hobby, or is a skill, yeah, my new job, let's say, a lot of you showed interest, and thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the support. So I made this dubula. This dubula is a very nice snack that is known in the northern part of Nigeria, and this is an amazing delicious snack. It is made using flour, um sugar, baking powder. Some people use eggs, some people use a lot of eggs, but in my house we do not use egg in making our dubla, and it comes out amazing. We don't like the smell of egg. No matter what, the smell of egg. I've seen a recipe where somebody use almost 10 eggs in making dubla. Nah, count me out. I cannot eat that dubla because it will smell like eggs. So I also made chin chin, and guys, I am sending this to somebody. Yes, this is I made this for my sister, and she has never tasted this chin chin, and this is our milky chin chin. And she ordered some water, so we were talking about chin chin during Eid, and she did not know what chin chin tastes like, and I did not even tell her about the dubla, but I just made the dubla um to make her happy. And then she ordered some of this beautiful adire, boo boo, and veil. I yeah, I'm shipping everything to her, and this is me just showing you guys. So if you would like to order these dresses, you know I sell Love Fire. I know I haven't been posting about Love Fire, but I still do. Send me ADM if you want to order Love Fire. So this is the triumph after a week, and no, not a week, I think 5 days, yeah. But this is how the Sandal Nawara is looking like, and you can see that the oils have already gotten into the rose. Like we you the oils have infused into the rose buds, and this is how it looks like. Everything is fully combined like it should be. It is looking very beautiful. You can see it looks very rich. I did not I was not greedy with my sandal powder. I was not greedy with my musk crystals. I was not greedy with my Lupan. I was not greedy with my Onicha. I was not greedy with my Jawi. And I added all this ingredient because I love, 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 love my customers, and I want the best for them, and to keep the recipe going, to keep everything good, and to for that we I should I don't know if I've been yapping, but quantity over quality. So it's the quality that makes my customers come back for more trying water, especially my wholesale customers. They always come back for more because their own customers love the same trying water, so they need to use or they need to order that same exact type of trying water they sold to their customers. So I packed everything, and this is a 1 liter buckets, and this is me packing everything. I will press this on the road so that it will be very full, and my customer, when she repackage this water, she will um gain from this water. So this is the next day, and I took beautiful pictures and videos of this on the rose. And guys, this on the rose, I just no words, mashallah. So if you would like to order, just send me a DM to the number on the screen. So these are the different types of water, and if you want to see a video of how I made this, comment in this comment section. I made the black wood live, and I made the sandal chips live. If you want to see the banat, I will be dropping it. No, I won't be dropping the banat. I will drop that for my members only, and the other videos I will try and drop it. So this is how I packed the gift, and I make sure I sealed everything very well and tightly because I do not want to hear stories. These delivery companies, they're sometimes they act as if they don't even know what they're doing. They don't do their job well. They just damage good packages. So I wanted to wait. I weighed the package, and I sent to the delivery company. And the delivery company, I have noticed that this delivery company, when I send them a package with the weight, they end up uh sometimes they try to fluctuate the weight, or like they try to add the weight. I don't know why. I have been on a call with them because I do not like that. I mo- um I purposely sent them a picture of this package so that they can tell me the shipping fee, and then I can tell my customer the shipping fee, and then we can proceed with the shipment. But this delivery company will come back and say, "Oh, there was a mistake. They repackaged it. They added some bubble mailer bubble wraps. They added more cartons." I don't like it. So this is another package too. We're sending to the US, and This is me on my way to go drop off the package. I drench myself in perfume and sunscreen because the sun is hot, like the sun is hot. And guys, if you do not use a
I
sunscreen,
came to
let me
change
tell you, you come
the
back home with a
US
damaged
dollars I
skin.
had because I did not have any money anymore. I did not have any naira. I save in dollars so that when it's a rainy day I can have money. And guys, please come and patronize me because I don't get money again. My money has finished, and what I was saving for rainy days, I have used it even before the rainy days started. Yeah, I made some TikTok videos, and I wanted to even post it on Instagram, but I don't know why I do not have the vibes to post on Instagram these days anymore. So these are the different trial. If you're not following me on TikTok, please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And thank you so much guys for subscribing and sharing. I notice and I see all the love. Thank you so much. And may Allah continue to bless you all that share my videos, like, and comment. Thank you so much. If you have a question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Inshallah, I'm going to post other triangular, the remaining triangular. Some I'll post it for members only, and some I'll post it for public. So anyways guys, see you in my next one. Bye.